Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable Talkback on your Android smartphone device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down this list until you find the accessibility tile and select it. And then there should be under screen reader, talkback. Go ahead and select that. Speak items on the screen. So if you want to disable talkback, you want to click inside the oval one time to turn it off. So if it's lit up blue right now, click inside of it one more time and that'll turn it off. Select don't allow. So just click inside the oval one time to turn off talkback. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.